Hello, hello. Welcome to African Travel and More. Now, in today's episode, we are in Pram Pram Ghana, West Africa, and we are visiting the construction of a beachfront property. So we're on location, and we were so thrilled to tour this young lady's home and see what it's like to build in Ghana, West Africa, on the beach in Pram Pram. So come along, let's go.
This is my gateman's house.
Okay.
Actually, when I originally built it with the people, I fired my gateman.
Okay. So the gate man's living large.
Yes.
So that's the storage room?
Look at how cute.
Oh, so this one.
Look at
Oh,
that.
how cool. So this, oh, you stepped on the cat. Well, or the cat got in the way, however you want to describe it.
Sorry,
She
baby.
got in the way.
Oh, that hurt too bad, too. Oh, my God. Right.
Okay.
Rob, you would be looking right in there. So I had to
Not
have
with a
some-
sticker.
No.
Not with like. Oh, okay. Is that?
But I needed somebody here to watch my materials.
Right.
When you build,
So here's this is my
major thing. So when you see them, you gotta get them. You gotta get them.
Hello. Thank you for visiting our channel again. I just wanted to share with you some of the beautiful, handcrafted, and authentic African products from all over the continent. Please know that your purchases help to support one village at a time. So make sure you visit our Amazon store, our website, or Etsy. See the description link below. It was an absolute pleasure touring this beachfront property. It's very obvious that the owner pays very close attention to detail. Unfortunately, my file was corrupted for the inside footage, but I promise you, when I return to Ghana, I have plans to visit this young lady again and check the progress of her venture here, because I really would like to do a sit-down interview to just kind of discuss a lot of what it takes to create, to build in Ghana. And it's it would be very interesting to hear her perspective as an African American building in Ghana. So thank you so much for joining me again. I hope that it was enjoyable. Thank you for joining us. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment. We love to know what you're thinking. Until next time, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Bye.